KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, you might have remembered about a week and a half ago, I was saying, well, if we're going to see any winter temperatures, it's going to be the last week of January, perhaps the first week of February. And since then, ever since then, the long-range model's advertising some pretty cold winter air on the way. Eventually, it will be reaching Acadiana. Here's a global shot. I'm using the European model temperature guide here, and obviously, white is well below zero. We're talking 40 below zero. Pink is below zero, the zero line, and anything south of that, blue, your shades of blues are the teens, the 20s and 30s. And what we're starting to see is a little bit of a split of the polar vortex, which the coldest air is usually right up here by the northern part of the pole, but notice it's split. Some here, some over toward Greenland, and then some going over toward Europe, and then over toward Siberia. So I don't want to get the world too messed up here. But the bottom line is we see this colder air making its way southward. We're going to get a shot on Sunday into Sunday night where we could see temperatures in the mid-20s. Then another shot after that 4 or 5 days down the road. And then maybe one more going into the first week of February. So winter is not done, and I don't think we've seen the coldest temperatures of the winter quite yet. So that is the story for right now. Now, meanwhile, across the lower 48, much quieter after that big snowstorm that pounded the Midwest and portions of the mid-Atlantic. So has moved off to the east and back to the west. We have the same clouds, and then in the southwest, plenty of rain, snow at elevation, and we're going to get bits of energy from this system getting caught in the subtropical jet stream, and it'll be moving out our way as we head into Thursday, Friday. We'll see some shower activity, better rain chances on the way for Saturday. Meanwhile, look at these stratiform clouds. When you get temperatures above the surface, they're very close to the surface. You get these minor inversions where you get the clouds trapped in. We saw that today, burned off briefly in Lafayette for a couple of hours, but then the clouds move back in, and I think they stay for most of the night with the exception of extreme southwest Louisiana. Notice temperatures, not much variation, mostly in the 40s, even though we topped out at 51 in Lafayette. And notice where it's coldest, where it's cleared out, back across southwest Louisiana and into eastern Texas. So as long as the clouds stay, we're not going to see frost, and temperatures will only drop a few more degrees. And tonight, the predictive radar model, the HRRR model, really connecting with the cloud cover and keeping it hanging tough through tomorrow morning. But as we get some daytime heating, it should burn off by mid-morning. And then later in the day, some high clouds coming in. Notice Futurecast, though, not showing those clouds. In fact, Futurecast is not showing any precipitation right now. It looks like we lost the model data on this particular run. But the bottom line, we stay cool through tomorrow. And then as high pressure begins to shuttle off to the east as we go into Wednesday, we're going to start to see a return flow, and just picture some clouds right here. We'll see that on the European model for sure. Mild conditions moving in as we go into Wednesday. We'll top out in the lower 60s. Then we get into Thursday, upper 60s to lower 70s, and there's going to be some precip showing up in here. We've been working on the computers today, and some of the data seems to have fallen off here. But the bottom line, as we get closer to the weekend, lower 70s, some scattered showers, and then as we head into Saturday, here comes a cold front, rain and thunderstorms likely, then windy and much colder as we go into Sunday. Sunday, we may not see temperatures getting out of the 30s. So tonight, upper 30s to near 40. Colder off to the north and west, mid-50s the high tomorrow. Tomorrow night we'll see readings dipping down into the low to mid-40s, not as cool with southeasterly winds kicking in, lower 60s as we indicated as we head into Wednesday. So staying chilly, the clouds stay around. That keeps the frost at bay. 56 the high tomorrow after the morning clouds burn off. It'll be a very nice afternoon. Temperatures about 5 degrees below normal. Near normal Wednesday, there's your showers for Thursday, Friday. Temperatures topping out in the lower 70s, but we finish off the weekend Sunday night dipping down into the mid-20s, and it could be the first hard freeze of the season, and certainly will be the coldest of the season coming up.
All righty, thank you, Rob.